Erwin, makakausap naman po natin si Michael Ray Ungab na isa pong nurse sa Chicago, Illinois sa Amerika at nakapagpaturok na rin po siya ng bakuna. Ray, kumusta ka na?
Good afternoon, Yusek, and good afternoon, Sir Erwin. Yep, I'm doing great right now. Buhay na buhay.
Oo nga.
In the middle of this pandemic, I'm just so grateful that I already received this vaccine. So I share the same excitement like the Philippines right now. Ang saya ng buong Pilipinas because we finally have vaccination.
Oo, kasi kahit nasa Amerika, I'm sure meron ka rin mga kamag-anak dito na talaga din naghihintay ng bakuna. Ano?
Absolutely.
Oo, anong klaseng brand ng bakuna ang naiturok sa'yo, Ray?
I received Pfizer. I received it in December. My first shot, I received it in December 18 of last year. And yung second shot ko is January 8 of 2021.
Pero sa ngayon, ano yung nararamdaman mo? Mas naging natakot ka ba bago ka magpaturok? At ngayon naman, ano yung nararamdaman mo? Ikaw ba ay naging kampante na ngayon na ikaw ay parang may sandata na laban dito sa nakakamatay na sakit na ito?
Of course, I really went through series of contemplation before I made the decision to be vaccinated. Kasi it's like parang bago tong vaccine na ito. But after I got vaccine, I made the decision na kailangan ko talagang labanan tong sakit na ito. I have to set a good example as a healthcare worker to receive this vaccination. So I finally made the decision. Kaya ngayon, how do I feel? I feel great. I feel more confident in dealing with my patients. Lalo-lalo na from time to time, I do have COVID-positive patients. And I am also, like anyone else, I go to supermarkets and mingle with different people na hindi ko alam kung positive or hindi. So ngayon, mas confident ako at wala rin naman ako nararamdamang kakaiba.
Pero nag-iingat ka pa rin, Ray, ano? Siyempre, yung safety, protocol pa rin. Sa ospital kung saan ka nga nagtatrabaho, lahat ba kayo naturukan na ng bakuna?
I don't have the exact figures, but within our floor, I think majority of us, like more than 80%, have already been vaccinated. Nag-push na. Siguro yung mga hindi lang nabakunahan pa is yung mga buntis. I don't know with the advice of their doctors. Pero the rest, first 3 days pa lang, nagpabakuna na talaga kami.
Erwin?
Ray, this is Erwin. May mga nakaranas ba ng adverse effect ng bakuna dyan sa lugar kung saan ka nagtatrabaho yung nabigyan ng Pfizer? May mga reactions bang iba mga kasama mo or wala silang reactions lahat kayo dyan? Hindi nag-react or allergy dun sa bakuna?
Okay, matinding reaction lang na narinig ko is like parang general muscle weakness lang. But apart from that, wala akong ibang narinig na kakaiba or severe or adverse effects from my coworkers or from anybody that I know na naka-receive na ng vaccine. At ako mismo, ang tanging naramdaman ko lang when I received the vaccine was just muscle soreness, which is just the usual reaction ko every time I get vaccinated, like flu vaccine. Yun lang talaga yung reaction ko. And people are saying na mas marami daw effect ang second dose, pero sa awa ng Diyos talagang wala akong naramdaman na sa second dose ni muscle soreness. Wala, I am just completely okay. And now I'm still alive, kicking, and I'm just very excited to finally that we're on our way to finally end this pandemic.
I have one last question, Ray. Mga frontliners pa lang ba ang nabibigyan ng bakuna dyan? O meron na mga civilians, mga senior citizens, or may alam ka na ba ang Filipino community na bigyan na ng bakuna?
So far as I know, there are already drive-through locations here where civilians can receive their vaccination. Even economic frontliners, food handlers are already being vaccinated. So medyo mahaba lang ang pila, but yes, everybody is being catered na ata with vaccination. So hindi na yung it goes beyond na with economic, healthcare providers. Even civilians have been receiving vaccination na.
All right, Ray. One last thing. As a Filipino, as a frontliner yourself, do you have any message sa mga kababayan natin? Kasi balita dito sa atin, kinakabahan yung mga kababayan natin na magpaturok. Yung iba ayaw magpalista despite the fact the government is saying this is free naman, you can avail it for free. Pero nagdadalawang isip, may mga second thoughts because yung mga nababasa nila, naririnig nila, napapanood nila sa social media na may mga reaction, may mga namatay doon sa abroad. So what is your message?
Well, on my end, I have 3S in coming up with the decision na nagpabakuna ako. First is be selfless. Huwag mo isipin sarili mo lang. You have to think of everybody's welfare, which leads to my second S, which is safety. Ako, as a nurse, I have to think of my safety, safety of my patients, safety of the community. And I wish that even non-healthcare providers would think that way. Isipin nila lahat ang safety ng buong community, ng buong society, hindi lang ang sarili nila. And the third one is, as a healthcare provider, I should set a good example. That's my third S. I should walk the talk. I have been teaching vaccination every day. So I should be the first one to set a good example na, ako naturukan na, to remove fears and doubts sa ibang tao na medyo, takot pa na magpabakuna. So we have to look at the greater picture. We have to weigh the benefit and the risk. And for me, if you get vaccinated, totally you outweigh the risk, the benefit. There's more pros than cons for being inoculated or vaccinated with COVID vaccine.
All right. Thank you very much, Nurse Michael Ray Ungab, dyan sa Chicago.
Absolutely.
Have a nice weekend, sir.
Thank you.